Have you ever told yourself that I'm gonna start tomorrow, and that tomorrow becomes the next day, and then the next week, and never? Hi, I'm Akriti, and today we'll discuss on why we're always waiting for a motivation. Why is it always that whenever we feel motivated, then only we think about doing something in our lives and not the other times? Because, for example, today I have set a plan that tomorrow during lunchtime I will exercise, for instance. And when the lunchtime comes, the very next day, I always try to make questions or excuses that should I exercise before eating my lunch or post that. So when we are not specific about the time, location and the behavior, at what time I'm gonna do it, at what location, then I don't think I will ever be able to do that work, ever. It is very evident that whenever a person feels motivated from within, then only that particular person tries to do something which he normally doesn't do, or which is extraordinary, or which he thinks would benefit him in a good way. But what about the other time? Like when he's not feeling motivated, when he's stressed, when he's tired, what about those times? At that time, I'll talk about myself, we don't do anything. We skip. We just lay down, or we watch TV, scroll Instagram, or do anything but not what we actually thought. But I have realized that instead of regretting those times, I should actually build something, or invest that time in correcting the things which I always wanted to do. Realize that even if you are feeling you cannot do it today, do it today. Because that tomorrow will never come, and you will keep on postponing your things, which would create a burden on yourself. And I have felt that. I am a living example, because what I used to do is postponing things to the next day, and the next day I had other work to do and I just laid them aside. For example, reading books. I love reading books, but what happened was I became lazy, or I don't know, I had schools, or I actually made excuses not to read. So I now know for a fact that I'm not gonna postpone anything to tomorrow. Either I'm going to do it today, or I'm never going to do it ever again. And I'm still following that anthem that whatever I think I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna start today. I'm gonna take it to very long with me. I'm gonna stick to it. Surprisingly, this has changed a lot of things in my life. Since a long time, I have not wasted my time unnecessarily. I'm utilizing it in doing something good. Even when I'm feeling stressed, I am not unnecessarily scrolling Instagram, but I am actually doing something which is knowledgeable, or listening to a podcast. For instance, drawing, sketching, writing. And I always wanted to share the inner thoughts of mine, which I am sharing through my videos now. And I hope I keep on doing this, because why not? So it's day 2 of becoming better, because why not? Bye.